This is the coolest piece of candy I've seen.
It might be a fortune kiss.
Expert. Does this make the car go faster or not?
That's exactly the opposite of what you want to do. Tell me where we're going. We gotta go down more stairs. Something that many people just don't get to see here at Apex. And we'll take you down to what's known as the cavern. Let's take a walk. At every show, there's a favorite booth that I have. We usually call it out. This has always been mine year after year here at Apex. The Magic Tree booth. Having had these in cars all through high school, being referenced in numerous movies, like you find one in every car, it's absolutely true. You gotta say hi to Greenie, the tree, the Magic Tree here at the Magic Tree. This is a multi-million-dollar industry of air fresheners, but they do it with style. We can't even get in here. There's already a line.
There's already a line. He's got handlers. He's got the handlers. Look at that.
I'm trembling with excitement, Wayne. I don't know if you can see this.
Me too.
How about a Porsche flavored tree?
Is Cassie's handler there? She looks very cheery.
Look at her yesterday. She's very friendly.
Oh, okay. Why don't you go talk to her then?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Hello again.
Again, you guys are familiar with each other.
I think you took a picture. Now we have the actual real camera that we need because we always vote this booth the most friendly booth in the Apex show.
Really?
Because it's always fun, and you find one in every car, as you know. I don't think you know that. You don't know that reference, do you?
Which one?
Repo Man. You find one in every car.
No, I don't.
They used to have an old movie called Repo Man, and the bit was the guy's clearing out the old cars, and he pulls one of the magic trees up and goes, "You'll find one in every car." It's almost like kind of a.
Oh, I get it.
Did you guys place that product in that product placement in the movie?
I didn't know. It's a cult following. All right, I'm gonna get
dancing. He's waiting for you.
All right.
Waiting for you.
Okay,
there you go.
It's the little tree. I always call them the magic tree because they're magic to my heart.
Oh, okay.
See that? I'm not kidding around. I'm very excited. I'm flush. You see the flushness?
I see flushness. Yes, there's lots of
See,
flushness.
that's calming. It's a calming, soothing. Everybody's got their favorite flavor.
Okay, so different flavors offer different performance, correct?
Well, this is a personal thing.
Okay.
So, for me, I love the magic apple tree. That's the magic one that I had. The apple tree flavor was my favorite one in high school.
That remind you of home?
Well, here's the tricky part.
And
we would get excited when we found the magic apple tree or the magic tree in green, but what would happen, you'd get pine and be really bummed out, and then you'd have to go back and get another one. It was very confusing to the early magic tree guy.
Oh, okay.
But the little tree, I keep saying magic tree because it's, again, magic for me, but magic apple flavor.
We can redub that on the edit.
You don't
It's
need
weird because his eyeballs follow me wherever I go, even if he doesn't turn. See that?
It's great stuff.
It's weird.
Again, see the smile on my face? I don't smile often.
So would you put this in a Japanese car to make it go faster?
I would get a yellow one.
A yellow one.
Yes, absolutely. Yellow.
Yellow, does that add 5 horsepower?
It would
Like
if you had
sticker.
the magic apple tree yellow sticker, little tree sticker.
Okay.
A little tree. Let's go little tree because that's really what your title says. I'm getting it wrong.
Tree.
If you had a yellow little tree sticker, that's got to be worth 10 horse. Easy.
So what happens? Is there a problem if you combine different flavors together? What's the downside of
spontaneous
that?
combustion. You don't want to get into that.
You don't want to get into that.
But again, I'm enjoying right now the light pine odor. Or scent. Let's use scent.
This may be a personal question, but does he smell right now?
He smells like pine, fresh pine.
Great.
It's delicious.
Awesome.
Here's the thing. I'm gonna go out and help the marketing people out with this. You guys can use this. There's no restriction. I want Little Tree deodorant in the same flavors as I can get in the car Little Trees.
That's fantastic.
All right. Let's wrap up.
Thank you.
There's a line of 50 people here that are trying to get in here.
There are 50
Kids are trying to get in here.
That's right.
Let's let somebody else take it.
Run them over as I back up.
All right. Thank you again, and thanks for making my day, personally. It goes
120 boots down, 4,960 to go.
Is this a former dry cleaning system?
Yes, it's a dry cleaner. We're a dry cleaner. We just decided to get any compressors, but we sold our hangers.
This is freaking fantastic. By the way, every year at Apex, the 15 or 20 years that I've been coming, I always see your thing, even though it's probably only been here for like 3.
That's only 3, yeah. You've seen it for the last 20, so you had imagination that I never even thought.
That's right. Remember, what they don't know can't hurt them.
Right.
But I always like this because it shows some creativity in the interesting display, as opposed to a case with a fluorescent light showing that you can make
a picture of a compressor in there.
Or a compressor cut in half.
Yeah.
Who needs to see some pistons or whatever.
The problem and the reason you don't see more things like this is because of the unions in each of these towns that they hold these things in, and it costs a fortune to move the 4 boxes that hold this in here, which weigh 20,000 pounds.
Well, here's the interesting part of what you just said. We won't be able to show any of that because when the Teamsters edit this, I know we're kidding, of course.
No, it's all right. They can edit it because I want them to know how I feel.
Well, just don't unplug or plug in any electrical, networking, computer, carpeting, pretty much anything. Just don't do it.
Where the next ones are going to be all battery operated, just like you say.
That's a great
Roll up
workaround.
the carpet and put it right in the thing.
That's
so
a great
we don't
workaround.
have to wait for people that don't care when they finally get here.
Well, can you put solar panels on the top?
I don't
know if these lights are strong enough, but we could carry batteries.
Let me solve this problem for you. You're thinking even way too complicated. This is what you do. You get a merry-go-round post in the middle of the booth.
Yeah.
About 40 strings connected to it. You get a whole bunch of kids. You get that bowl of candy from Halloween, because this is right after Halloween. You'll have a ton of leftover candy at your house. Bring it here. You tell them to walk around in circles, holding these Dentsu compressors or whatever brands you're doing. Put them out there and just tell them, keep walking. 8-10 hours, and you throw candy on the ground, tell them to pick it up, eat, and keep walking. That's all you gotta do. And they'll love you. Candy, compressors.
We were thinking more of a fitness type of a situation where we put some bicycles out here, chains all hooked to the go-around.
Yeah.
And basically what we do is get a bunch of cute girls in heels and stuff to pedal the bicycles and move the compressors. I
would love that. Here's the problem with that. That costs money. Kids, free labor. Nothing you get.
It doesn't cost money. We're charging money for the fitness opportunity.
I got it.
Genius. Genius.
That is genius.
Yes.
That is.
I don't know why we didn't stop by this booth earlier.
I know, we should.
Let's not call it a booth, because that's really,
yes.
That's selling it short. Let's call this an attraction.
An attraction.
An attraction.
And it used to be called at other venues a circus attraction.
Circus attraction. Wayne, a pleasure bantering with you, and I'll see you next year.
All right.
One of the things that's fascinating about Apex is the many countries and origins of manufactured products. Today we're looking at the Azard Group, made in Russia. Well, first of all, Mikhail?
Yeah, my name is Michael.
Michael, okay. Sorry for the pronunciation. I'm Sandy, and that's Wayne. He's from Pelican Parts, and we're going through Apex, just taking a look at some of the interesting, cool, fun products that we found here. And we were downstairs, and we were looking for interesting, fun things. And we were looking for the American Naked Lady mud flap, or the Hello Kitty teddy bear looking seat covers and things. And we found some of that, and we came over here and we started thinking, here we are. This is what we're looking for, is fun stuff. Okay, tell me a little bit about him. Who's this face?
This not famous face, but famous, how to say, I don't know all words in English. So they good shape here, and
famous bow tie.
they very nice looking in one shelves in supermarkets.
It's a very eye-catching.
Vintage.
Are you familiar with the Big Lewbowski? It's the dude. This looks like the dude. It's a famous American actor that dresses. It's called the Dude. And I like this because it has something different, a little different shape, something interesting. And now tell me what the translation is, if you could.
So this guy is fun, and here on Russian language, right now the letters like I'm a nice guy. Hey, come to my car.
I'm a friendly guy. Come into my car and take all my stuff.
Yeah.
No.
And here we offer the styles, and the letters also can do.
Let's take a look at some of these, because of course.
What does this mean here exactly?
Friendly, friendship. Come in.
Come to my car. Hey, I have a lot of money, but not don't have woman yet.
I like
But
that.
you can-
So what you'd want to have is two air fresheners. You want to have the dude and the dude's girlfriend. And
See that?
it's a very pretty girl. That's the alternative air freshener. That's strawberries. It's fresh strawberries. It smells like strawberries. So that's a lot of fun. That's a fun thing. This is what I like. I like this guy.
You can take one.
Thank you. I'm almost done. I know you are. You've lost your voice completely. You've been
No,
doing
I haven't lost my voice completely.
sounds gone to me. You're probably going to need some sort of larynx replacement or that modulator box.
I guess there's no karaoke for me tonight.
But we hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you'll come back and watch more of these. We'll have many segments for you.
Walking around and see that.
There's Wayne with the camera, not
There you
recommended.
go. Oh, I can hold
There you go. Look at that. You look wiped out.
What?
You look wiped.
Yeah.